Greetings, Stephen Reed Ministries, Stephen Reed Coaching. Here we are on day 4 already. Today we're going to be talking about worry. Do you realize that worry is just misused imagination? What if I told you that worry and planning use the exact same part of your brain? Worry is imagination pointed at the worst case scenarios, and we repeat those things over and over again, but we don't take any action of any sort. Bad habit. It's the spiraling what ifs with a negative twist. Here's a good habit. Let's replace it with the good habit. That moment that you notice that you're starting to worry, ask yourself, is there something I can do, some action point I can take right now that'll make things better? If yes, then do it. If no, then put it off on the back shelf and worry about it later. Worry about it later, okay? Why does this matter? Well, the same mental tool, this thing that we use up here, we're going to use that, but in a different direction. See, you've already got the skill to resolve a lot of the things that you're dealing with. So when you focus your energy and worry, you rob yourself of an opportunity to be creative and be productive and helpful. Many years ago, I heard Mr. Ziegler say that over 90% of the things that we worry about never take place, never happens. That means you've just wasted a lot of time and energy on worrying. Why not put that time to good use and be creative and hopeful and helpful? Consider how much better you will feel when you focus on the positive things instead of being a negative Nelly. Here's a side benefit. When you stop worrying about all those negative things all the time, more people are going to like you and want to spend time with you, at least around you. So don't worry. Just put it off on the shelf. Be creative instead. And I've mentioned several times already that on the second Tuesday of every month at 11 o'clock Central Time, I'm hosting a webinar that talks about these kinds of things, your mental, your spiritual, your physical being, and how you can improve all of those. So register today. Just click on the link in the first comment line, and it'll take you to my landing page where you can register. But if you don't want to wait until then, why don't you register for my one-on-one discovery call? It's a 1-hour session that I've set aside for you to be able to help you uncover some of those roadblocks. What are some of the things that are keeping you stuck? Maybe some of those things that are keeping you isolated. We're going to uncover those things, unpack them a little bit, and then we're going to start to put a plan together on how you could become more productive and getting closer to reaching your goals. That we can do anytime. You click on that link, it'll take you to my calendar. You pick the day and the time, and we'll make it happen. Well, this is Stephen Reed Coaching, Stephen Reed Ministries, and my goal for you is to help you have a more victorious life. Have a blessed day. Bye for now.